Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I made it to Dollar General and let's see what they have. And I'm at the city of Natalia right now. Closer glimpse of the city of Natalia Tower. It's wet outside today. I wore flip-flops. Hey y'all, welcome back. Okay guys, the first thing I see are these cute $5 wreaths. These cute metal $5 lanterns. Let's get cozy. It's only $2. That's really cute. These snowmen are $3. You get those 2. This Happy Holiday $3. They also have pine cones for $1. This floral arrangements $5. They also have little gift bags, 2 count for $2.50. And they also have these Joy to the World signs that are $2. And Jingle All the Way. They have the little nutcrackers for $1. The turquoise and the pink tree are $1. This truck candle is $6. This door sign is $2. And you have a bunch of little gift boxes. 'Tis the season. These little canisters can be used for cookies. These plain wreaths are $3. Those are cute. Then they have these canisters for $1 each. Then they got some Christmas clips. Look at those. Be merry. You could put wine in there for $3. They got those mini light up trucks for $2. What else? This is really cute for $2.50. Then they got, I don't want to take it all down. They got different ones. What's this? 2 count of mini bags. Check out these gift bags for $1. You could totally frame those. Wine bags for $2. Another wine bag for $1. Then they got these mini ones. Whoa. So cute. They got tags for $1. Then they have a bunch of candies for different prices. Let's see. The marshmallow ones for $1. Okay. They got trees in different sizes and prices. Bunch of gift wrap. Traditional Santa. So many for different prices as well. They also got Christmas party stuff up here. Then they also have the berries for $1. And those are $1. Let's go around the corner. They got their whole setup. Very cute. Whoa, look at these candy canes for $1. That can is $6. That's cute. $1. Get that pretty wreath. 10. Some signs. Joy. Noel. And Merry Christmas. Oh, I like the Merry Christmas. And those are 5. More garlands for 8 and 10. This is really cute for 5. More nutcrackers and bigger ones. Let's see here. Oh, look, guys, for $3.50. Those are cute stocking stuffers. These signs are cute too. I might buy one of those. Scissors. There's just so much cute stuff here. Be Merry for 6. Look at these. They're $1. I don't own the rights to this music, but I need to figure out a new music program where you don't get copyrighted. So yeah. 5, and it's like the last one. I think I might take this. That's cute for 5. Just a bunch of stuff. Stockings. Bows for $1. More stockings. Oh, they're playing music. Okay, so hold on. I'm not sure if I recorded. Hey y'all, welcome back.